Back we go. It is Sunday, March 27th. Stock March Madness. These IPOs. I'm doing all recent IPOs on these recent videos, pretty much in the last 2-3 years. What time is it now? Almost 4. Futures will be open soon. DIDI, DD Global Incorporated. This is a Chinese stock. Founded in Beijing, China, 2012. Yeah, this started up back in June 30th, 2021. Excuse me, made it to 1801. Big drop down. Came out of this wedge, falling wedge, went sideways pretty much 7 to this 50% Fibonacci retracement line. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, but didn't make it, then went down. It's a very tight channel here. And right here, pretty much from November down. You had a big drop here, this gap, little green candle, then it came up, it gapped back up. It was strange the last few days. A lot of stocks did that. And really big candle on the 18th. Came as high. What's this high here? 467 and came back. It's trying to hug this 1320 EMA. Overbought. And let me look at the weekly here. The weekly's trying to come up with stochastics, which is bullish, but it still has the 1320 EMA to go over, and it's reversed. The 20 is above. So you want it to make like a sweeping move, then go up. This could chop back and forth. Could this hit 5 again? Like make a move to 5 and bounce down probably. Monthly, showing not much because it's a newer stock. So what they do, a mobile technology platform provides ride hailing and other services. People, Republic of China, Brazil, Mexico, internationally. There's chauffeur, hitch hailing. What else they do? Enterprise businesses, comprising of leasing, refueling, maintenance, repair. 5.65 billion shares outstanding. I don't see a float on FinViz. No insider transaction. I don't see any information. I mean, not insider. Institutional ownership's 11%. Insiders doesn't say. 18.33 billion market cap. Let's read in the news now. DD stock will continue to roll downhill as regulatory issues persist. 10 Reddit Wall Street bet stocks that are rising. This is the 24th. So this is definitely a risky stock. As we see here, excuse me, back to the daily. Yeah, it's a complete downtrend right here. So every high, that chop from August, November went sideways, then it fell back further. It does look like it wants to make a bounce here and curl back up. If anything, I would look for this. That 450 level is huge. You get above 450, it'll be the line that would keep going. Right now, you want it to stay above 3. There's that wick, that back and forth, that middle spinning candle right there. And the weekly, again, it's coming up stochastics, but coming up against resistance here. That 13 EMA, 20 EMAs at 5, right in between. So it's trying to get above that, but it's going to take a lot of work. See, a stock can't go through until you have eventually a nice winding move. It can't go straight up. It can go straight up. Like when the COVID happened, all the stock market crashed. It went straight down so fast. But move to move higher longer term, you want this to reverse the 13 over to 20 EMA. It doesn't look like it right now. So I don't like this. I mean, day trading, yes. I don't like this longer term, meaning I need this to prove it can get over this 450 mark. This comes back down here and bounces up. That would be very bullish. If not, we'll see what happens in this. Let me see the 4-hour. It's still going down. 2-hour, 1 hour. Yeah, it's oversold here. After I see that big run up, it's coming back. Still looks like consolidating more. The volume's lessening, but what helps too, if the market continues to try to get back up and keep going up, that would help too. A lot of better stocks to trade. Definitely a riskier stock if you're holding this longer term. If you're holding for a swing or even holding it in your portfolio. I don't like to hold any Chinese stocks at all. So be careful with this one. We'll see what this does. I'll I will watch this. I'm not in this. I wouldn't get in this right here. Down here it would have been a little different because see, this is how you play channels. You get a line pretty much connecting this line more than 2 points. And then you're right down here after that gap. You're saying, oh, it's pretty low here. It's oversold. Again, look at oversold moves. How, even this moves a little move, and here's a little bit better. It depends on each stock, but this is 350, went to 450. Yes, $1 move. So from here to here, that's a nice move. You caught it down there. Play the bottom moves on stochastics is always good. All right, we'll see on this DIDI how this turns out. Please subscribe to Mike Gaming Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out any links below. Leave any comments on this stock. If you're in the stock, what your thoughts on this stock are. Check out my social media links. And that's it.